ஒரு ராகம் இருக்கு, அந்த ராகத்திலேயே ஹார்மனி பண்ணணும், அந்த மல்டி லேயர்ஸ் பண்றது, அதை பத்தி வாட் யூ திங்க் அபவுட் அண்ட் ஹவ் டு ஒர்க் ஆன்?
First of all, எல்லாருக்கும் வணக்கம். And such a great honor, always coming back to him. அவர் ஒரு வார்த்தை ஒரு நோட் வாசிச்சாலே அது போதும். I know that it's when I think of it, 45 வருஷம் இல்லப்பா, 38 வருஷம். So 38 வருஷமா 36 வருஷம். So I recorded their album with Nataka around 89, I think. Yeah, so that's how I know the Nation Corporation thing. We spent 3-4 days and so from then we became friends. And எப்பன் வயல் கேட்டாலும் கணேஷ் கம். இப்போ வந்து கம்மல ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா ரிசூம்ல ஸ்ரீகாரம் வந்து செஞ்சுட்டு வருவாங்க. And all the solos have become like cult now. Every kid is hearing some of you playing it. On the, I think the first violin harmony I've ever heard was Narasimhan sir and Rajasar Pranam. How to name it, and then of course El Subramaniam sir. Then what you guys are doing, much more going into Gramila and Nantiga. We're all proud of you, and whatever you do will sound good, so don't worry about it. So வந்தவன கேட்டா எத்தனை string இந்த வயலின்ல 5 string இருக்கு, அந்த பேஸ் எப்படி வருதுன்னு கேட்டா அதுல வாமி பெடல் போட்டு பேஸ். Wow, that's how he thinks. I mean, தோணவே இல்லை, மாதிரி ஏதோ ஒரு பெடல் ஒரு ஆர்டிஃபிஷியல் இருக்குன்னு தோணல. It just was full.
Yeah, I thought like why the whammy pedal was, I wanted that bass.
You all want bass.
Yeah. You all want bass. Yeah, so and that completes the music, as you would say. So அதனால தான், and அது வந்து கர்நாடிக் ஸ்டைல், அந்த கமக்கங்கள்லாம் வரணும் அப்படின்னா somebody who can play the instrument அப்பதான் வர முடியும். So it just was a great way to get there. So yeah, what was another thing that I was thinking? So what is that excites you as a composer when you hear the strings? Because you have been involved with playing with the strings, like so it's the way you use the strings have changed also in your career, how you have done it. So when from your early years to when you did VTV, so that is what, when I saw that there was a complete change in AR's use of the strings. Yeah.
I personally now actually have done a series called the Gandhi series, the earlier life of Mahatma Gandhi. In that I've used one Rangapriyan's to a violin player. She played around 18 times. It's Carnatic, because I couldn't get so we couldn't get a ensemble, so she played around 18 times, and adula the harmony like I've gone out of the rag in the harmony, the melody is like sticking to the rag, so I'll play it to you tomorrow.
It's the thing is, AR is always looking for something that can excite him more than just be popular about it. He thinks that's what I feel, like when you do something, you do it perfectly so that it reaches everyone because of what you have done before.
It has to reach us.
Yes, first. Yeah, absolutely. ஆமா.
அதான் கஷ்டம்.
So அந்த பாப்புலர் பெர்செப்ஷன் விட அது நம்மளுக்கு பிடிக்கணும் அப்படிங்கிறது வந்து கரெக்டா வந்து, and he also says that the spirituality of music and the divinity in music, which is so important. That is why it's very important that he is here today to bless the kids, because they are on a very different journey if they are musicians.
And this violin shop. So it's very nice for you. Like, I think this is going to encourage more people to take violin, which is a very, very difficult instrument. And this human experience, what we experienced, should, I think, expand. Because இப்போ யாரோனா ஏஐல போட்டு பண்ணிடலாம், கையில் சுத்தில வாசிக்க முடியுமான்றது another challenge. Great guys. Amazing.
So happy. Thank you so much. And let's go to the launch. Yeah. Thank you.
Kumaresh.
Can I request Jayanti, Kumaresh and Kumaresh